Kandi Asala. Kandi Asala Perahara. Dalada means sacred tooth. Perahara means procession. This is celebrated in the month of July on the Asala full moon Poya day to commemorate the incident when Prince Danta and Princess Hemamala brought the sacred tooth of Holy Lord Buddha to Sri Lanka from India. That was the history of Dalada's arrival. That called Dalada Gamane. Velivita Saranankara Sangarajitero request King Kirti Rajasingha, who was ruled in Sri Lanka that time, there since the Dalada Perahara was held. If we talk about the excellence of Perahara, the Vipcrackers goes in front of the Perahara. After them, we can see fireball wavers and Buddhist flag bearers. Drummers, Peramuneraala, Gajanayaka Nilame, dancers, elephants comes next. And finally comes the majestic tusker which carries the sacred tooth and also Devadana Nilame. All the elephants are beautifully caparisoned. Foreigners and natives love to see Asala Perahara. It is one of the religious and cultural events celebrated by the Sri Lankans. May the tooth relic bless you all. Thank you.
Okay, Indora, nicely did it. Nicely started and included all the details and finished it well. Yeah. Others also can get some ideas from that speech. Flag bearers කියන්නේ කොඩි අරගෙන යන අය. Whipcrackers කියන්නේ කසකරුවන්. Drummers කියන්නේ බෙර වාදනය කරන අය. Dancers නැට්ටු. Carry කියන රැගෙන යනවා. Tooth relic කියන්නේ දන්ත ධාතුව. Tooth relic. Temple කියලා අපි කියන දළදා මාලිගාවට. Sacred කියන්නේ පූජනීය. Right? Those words can be added. Okay, now this chance is to Dejana.
My school. My school is St. Bernadette Model School. It is in Northwestern Province. It is a mixed school. There are 300 students in my school. There is a big playground. There are lab, library, a computer room in my school. My school principal is a Panyakiti Tero. Thank you.
Right, okay. She's a new student, so she's presenting her school. Next is your village. Dejana, your village. My village is next speech. Chatumi.
Good evening. Today I am going to talk about Asala Perahara. This is one of the most significant religious festivals in our country. This procession is held in August every year. This Perahara is very important than many other religious pageants as the sacred tooth relic is taken out for the occasion. This procession is not limited to one day, but it is held for several days. The end of this is marked with the water cutting ceremony. There are several aims for conducting this procession annually. Getting rain to the country at the right time is one of the major hopes. Invoking blessing to all civilians in another expectation. The sacred tooth relic is carried by the Maligawa elephant. He is beautifully decorated for the occasion. He has a majestic look when he carries the most sacred tooth relic of the Lord Buddha. During the festival season, Kandy becomes an overcrowded city even in the night. There is a great demand for buildings and compounds on either side of roads where the procession moves. People are thrown to Kandy in thousands during this season, giving the opportunity to people who excel in various cultural affairs like dancing, beating drums, and singing is very significant characteristic of this pageant.
Right. Okay, Chatumi, you did yours nicely by gathering all the details. Right. Very good. Try to remember those facts. It will be important for your future. Next one is IPSA. This is IPSA's chance. Yes.
Kandy Asala Perahara. Dalada Perahara is a cultural festival in Sri Lanka which is celebrated annually. It marks the occasion of paying respect to the tooth relic of Lord Buddha. It is placed in the place of the last kingdom of Sri Lanka. This beautiful pageant marks its performance along the street of Kandy during the month of August. Thousands of spectators watch this special event. Whipcrackers, dancers, drummers, elephants, and flag bearers color the Dalada Perahara. The royal elephant carried the created tooth, which in a golden cracks. People take their place a few hours ahead to see the wonderful event. It is televised by all the TV channels to see all the countrymen. This sacred stanfant has become a great success occurred in our country. Thank you.
Okay, IPSA, very good. Pageant, අතන සන්දර්ශනය කියන එකනේ pageant කියන්නේ. Pronounce it like that. And Diluka Subhash now. Yes, Diluka.
Kandy Asala Perahara is a colorful festival. It is held in August. This is festival with crackers and fireball acrobats telling the way. Peramonera is a third going away. There's a beautiful decorated baby elephant going away. This is Buddhist flock is going away. Drums players is beautiful playing in Kandy Perahara. Their majestic tusker coming this way. It's that street tooth relic of Lord Buddha. This is Devadana Nilame going ever. This is a Deval Perahara in last away. This is a beautiful Asal Perahara. Thank you.
Okay, Diluka, right, very good. Let's go next, Pramadita.
Known as the Asala Perahara or the Festival of the Tooth, this historic festival is celebrated during the month of July and August. This historical procession is held annually to pay homage to the sacred tooth relic of Buddha, which is housed at the Sri Dalada Maliga in Kandy, a unique symbol of the Sri Lanka. This historic procession consists of traditional local dance such as fire dance and whip dances. The festival concludes with the traditional water cutting ceremony of the Ketembi Mahavali River in Kandy. Thank you.
Okay, right, short and sweet, nice indeed. Right. Ravindu.
Kandy Asala Perahara. The Kandy Asala Perahara is held in the Asala month. It is beautiful Perahara. The web crackers going front of the Perahera. After them, we can see flag bears.
Flag bearers.
They
Carries. They carry.
elephants are in Buddhist flag dress. Dancer, Nilame, and elephants are in the Perahera. Elephants are beautiful. Prevents everyone likes to see the Perahera. Thank you.
Right, very good. Podi pronunciation ගැටලු තියෙනව නේද? Right. Mayumi Nisara.
Kandy Asala Perahera. Kandy Asala Perahera is an annual festival held by Sri Lanka Buddhists. It is a very colorful and beautiful festival. The Asala Perahera is held in the month of July and August. It is a Buddhist festival consisting of dances and colorfully decorated elephants. There are fire dancers, whip dancers, Candian dancers, and various other cultural dancers. Diyavadana Nilame and other Nilames walk in the procession with crackers and fireball acrobats clear the path. Followed by the Buddhist flag bears. The elephants carrying the tooth relay in moving slowly in the process. The final procession here is the Kubal Perahera. It ends with a water cutting in the morning. Many Buddhists come to see this procession. I like this procession, which has historical value.
Right. Okay, very good, Mayumi. Let's go. Diluka Subhash. Acrobats කියන්නේ පිනුම්කාරයි. Right. Diluka, are you ready? Diluka Subhash.
Sir, mama කිව්වා.
You raise your hand. අත උස්සගෙන ඉන්නවනේ ඒකනේ මම බැලුවේ. කවිෂ්ක.
My school is Kuchanta Bernadette Model School. It is in Northwestern Province. There are 4,000 pupils and 50 teachers. There are a playground, a library, a computer room, a dancing room. My school is beautiful school. I love my school. Thank you.
Right. Okay, good. Shashini.
Kandy Asala Perahera. The Perahera commences in its present form during reign of King Kirti Rajasinghe. In the ceremony, a young jack tree is cut and planted in each of the 4 rivers dedicated to the 4 gardens goods. Natha Vishnu Kataragama and the Goddess Patini. The Kandy Perahera commences on Asala full moon day and concludes on Nikini full moon day. Important events associated with the Perahera such as placing the cast on the back of the tusker and the announcement of the Perahera from Devala are made with the cannonballs. The Asala festival concludes
with the Randoli Perahara and Diyakapima or water cutting ceremony at the Mahamali River at Ketawe. Thank you.
Right. Okay, very good. Now I think everybody did. Yes, finish everybody.